All right, and then the big box, 2023 Top Sterling Baseball. So we have 2 themed packs. And they are the Topps All-Star Rookie Cup Team and World Series Champions. World Series Champions. We're going to save that one. We're going to do the All-Star Rookie Cup Team first. That might be a big hit. Alex Bregman, 3/25. Dual jersey autograph. Alex Bregman. All right, let's see it. 1/1 Alex Rodriguez, bat knob. Nice hit. 1/1 Alex Rodriguez with the bat knob. Could tell, you could see the little bit of the bat knob through. Didn't know who it was going to be. Nice looking card. 1/1 Alex Rodriguez. Take a picture of that one real quick for social media. That's pretty sick. 1/1 bat knob. He was one of my favorite players growing up. Let me tweet that out real quick.